Maman, pas mettre la musique. Ma père record. So, Maman. Comment faut vous dire? This get moi c'est envie. Get tout chiffé video. C'est hésita.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nea here. So, as you probably see from the title of this video today, I'm going to do a tag. Yeah, the Mauritian tag. I'm so happy, and I decided to do this tag. Yeah, tag. Because I just finished to record the Italian tag. If you guys don't know, I was born in Italy and grew up there, so I decided to do the Italian one, and also because I got, as you can see, background from Mauritius and nothing, so I decided to do the Mauritian tag as well, and here we go. But I think it would probably more right do this video in Creole, if this makes sense, or in English. Wait, Maman? Quel engagement pour faire? Créole ou anglais?
Anglais.
Il dit anglais. Sorry. Quand maman a décidé, mon maman dit anglais. Sorry. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Et non, yeah. Oui, alors mon pour cause anglais. Correct, hein? Allez. 1, 2, 3. Oh, before I start, I just want to say, you guys, that I'm just gonna take the same question that I did in the Italian tag and just translate them in English. Yes, and that's it. Oh yeah, I'm think that I'm gonna change something to make it more Mauritian. I mean the question: how many times you drink tea in a day? If I need to be honest, like one time. Yeah, thank you. One time in a day. So yeah, like for breakfast, not for breakfast, it's for breakfast, not coffee, for breakfast. For break, like between 3 or 4 p.m. yeah. Spoon of sugar you put in the tea, 1.5. Which kind of biryani do you like? My favorite is the vegetable one. I really like that. I know most of the people gonna kill me now, but yeah, my favorite is the vegetable one. Yeah, that one. That. The next question is dal pourri or rôti? Rôti. Best dessert that you try? The best dessert. I mean, dessert is like. So I'm gonna say. Aluda. And gatoha?
And sosa. Wow.
Capable com. Hey, I don't care. Oui, aluda. No, yeah, aluda. Yeah, aluda. Curry poisson, curry poule. Definitely curry poisson.
The three things that you must eat in Mauritius. I'm gonna say aluda again. Après, Maurice.
Alim.
Hey, moi mon baiser répond pas où. Aluda. Bol renversé. Salade mangue. Appelle ça comment? Salade mangue coco, hein? Yes, salade. Oh my god. Salade mangue coco. Après ananas. Holy stuff. So good. Guys, you need to try it seriously.
Favorite place in Mauritius? I know that it's probably like strange, but I'm gonna say l'escalier, only because I really like the atmosphere that we create all the time. I mean, all the family, all this stuff. Oh, I really love it. It's something that I can have it here. So, for the reason, l'escalier est bon accueil. Sa bandera. Love it, love it, love it, love it.
And Roseville?
Roseville, alright. Happy.
Happy.
Happy,
Is your
happy.
house here? There.
Oh my god. Favorite beach in Mauritius? Peribia. Yeah, Peribia. I really love it. I mean, I go there every single time when I need to go Mauritius, obviously. But your favorite drink? My favorite drink? Perona. Perona. Yeah, so good. Perona. So good. The end of this video, guys. I hope you like it. If yes, just remember to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel if you want, and also I'm gonna leave all the social media in the description down below. And what else? Oh yeah, I'm really curious to know your answer, so I will so happy if you comment down below and answer some of this question. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. And mommy, merci. What else? Ooh, and nothing. See you in the next one. Woo!